In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use more than one font in a line in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll be able to mix fonts within a single line of text so key words stand out, while keeping everything clean and professional. First, open your Squarespace website and enter the site editor. Once you're in, click Edit so you're working in the page editor and can change content directly on the page. Navigate to the section that contains the line you want to style, then click directly on that text to place your cursor inside the text block. Now, click the line again so the inline formatting toolbar appears. If you don't see it at first, try selecting a word or two, and it should pop up just above or below your selection. Highlight the first part of the line that you want to style differently. With that text selected, use the formatting controls to change its font. Depending on your version and template, you may see a font drop-down, a styles button, or a typography option in the mini toolbar. Choose the font you want for that specific word or phrase. Click back into the same line to continue. Highlight the next word or phrase you want to differentiate and apply a second font. If the toolbar disappears, simply click the text again and reselect your words. Continue this pattern. Click the line, highlight a portion, change its font, until each part of the line looks the way you want. If you select too much by accident, use Undo to step back, then highlight more precisely. Short selections tend to be easier to control and won't disrupt spacing. As you mix fonts, keep an eye on consistency. If one font appears heavier or larger, use the weight or size controls in the toolbar to keep the baseline and line height looking even. A good guideline is to limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts within one line, so it remains readable and cohesive. Consider using a bold or display font for a keyword and a clean sans serif or serif for the rest. When you're happy with the combination, click Save in the editor to publish your changes. Give the page a quick refresh and skim it on desktop and mobile. If anything looks cramped on smaller screens, shorten the highlighted segments